Now, when this product delta k into delta x is greater than equal to 1, when delta k into delta x is greater than or equal to 1, this exponential term oscillates so rapidly that this integration is almost 0. Means it has a small value. That is, when delta k into delta x is greater than equal to 1, this integration has a small value. Now we need that condition because we want that psi x0, that is the wave packet at time t equal to 0, is peaked at, the wave packet is peaked around x equal to, this is suppose x equal to x0. So we need that the wave packet is peaked at x equal to x0, and outside this range the wave packet vanishes. So for that we need this condition. So when this condition holds, this exponential terms, this oscillates so rapidly that this integration is very small. So this is our required condition, that is delta k into delta x is greater than 1. So therefore delta k into delta x is greater than 1. Okay. Now if I multiply by h cross on both sides, h cross delta k delta x is greater than equal to h cross. Now I can insert h cross here. So delta of h cross k delta x is greater than h cross. Now this is nothing but the momentum p. So delta p into delta x is greater than equal to h by 2 pi. So this is satisfying Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. In that principle we have delta p into delta x is greater than equal to h by 4 pi. So here we have got h by 2 pi. So see, starting from the wave packet we have arrived at the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, and according to this principle we cannot simultaneously measure x and canonically conjugate momentum p simultaneously and precisely. So therefore, if we cannot measure simultaneously and precisely the position and canonically conjugate momentum of a particle, then we cannot define a trajectory of the particle. This trajectory of the particle is not possible. Not possible. Why this trajectory is not possible? Because if we want to draw a trajectory, we need the information of position and canonically conjugate momentum simultaneously and precisely. But since from the concept of wave packet we have arrived at Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, so from here we can say that position and canonically conjugate momentum is uncertain and we cannot measure them simultaneously with 100% accuracy. Therefore, this trajectory of the particle is not possible. It is impossible. So, starting from the concept of wave packet, we have shown that the trajectory of the particle is not possible. Okay. So, this much for today. We stop here. Thank you.